Hello everyone. Recently, I have purchased a course on Class 10 Artificial Intelligence Board Exam Full Revision for the upcoming board exam. So, what are the contents which are there in this course, which can help all of you to uh, do the revision properly and to score good marks or rather excellent marks in your board exam? So let me show you what I have got in this particular course material. So if this is the course. So CBSE Class 10 Artificial Intelligence Board Exam Full Revision 2025. So this is a complete comprehensive revision course is there. Now in this course, there are concept-wise revision questions are there, exam focus notes are there, practice question, mock test, and doubt solving session, and all these things are there. So let me take you straight into this course material, what is there. So let me click here. So I can see the first part is the employability skills. So in the employability skills, the first chapter is the communication skills. So under communication skills, this is communication process notes, and you are aware in the communication, basically you need to know in communication process what are the elements of communication, which include sender, message, encoding, decoding, and the communication channel. So there are, I can see questions are there, notes are there. Then there are questions like who is responsible for initiating communication? Obviously the sender. And what actually means by encoding here, rule of encoding, which basically means converting a message into a communicable form, means which other you can send it so that it can be, because we need to put it in a message in a format which can be transmitted, right? So this is one. Second is there is on the types of notes, types of communication notes. So types of communication, basically we have a verbal communication where we use spoken and written words. And then we are having, okay, you can see even the full screen version. This is the one. So here types are there. What are the advantages are there? Which is obviously very clear is there. And there are some disadvantages are there. Okay. So non-verbal communication. So what are the non-verbal communication is there? So in case we are using some kind of words, gestures. Okay. So here also some advantages and disadvantages are there, and the visual communications are is there. So there are more into this is there, like similarly your what is interpersonal communication, okay, like written communications, right? So and there are multiple choice questions on this, and then you can see a few more like a multiple choice question like what is the importance of interpersonal communication. It is used in public speaking, which is not the case. It builds relationship and facilitates. Yes, it is. So it builds relationship and facilitate understanding. So this is the one, and then there are short questions are there on the same topic. So I can see it's quite comprehensive, giving you the questions and answers in a very simple and easy language. Okay, so I think it's like a rather it's a good course. Then effective communication. So you know what are the seven C's of effective communication? So about them, and what are linguistic barriers? Okay, so about them, this content is there, right? Then we are going to, okay, now there is a communication skill video is also there. So what I have seen this video. Basically, the content which is there is in the written form. The same content is there in this case in the form of a video with this content written. So let me show you how is this one. Okay, this is communication skills video lecture. You can make full screen too. So in case you are feeling that no, I am just if you are thinking if you don't want to read the content, so by viewing it one time, it's very helpful because it is going to give you an idea. Like this entire content is there. So if you view the entire thing, you will get the idea about the entire information which is there. Okay. It's a really very good idea sometimes because sometimes we don't feel like reading the entire content. So if you go through this thing, so it is going to uh, we can understand this entire process. Okay, so this is also I've seen it's very good. And once you have done all these things, then you can go for the communication skill quiz. Okay, so for going to the quiz, you just click on the start quiz, and when you start, you will get this full form. Like, what is the primary purpose of communication? To inform, to influence, to express feeling. Obviously, this is all of the above. And we know this particular one, this type of questions are there, at least 20 something. Which of the following is receiving the information? So when we are receiving the information, speaking, writing, listening, and telling. Okay, now a little bit confusion will be there. Example of receiving. So when we are receiving information, basically by speaking and writing, we are conveying the information. Okay, so but to receiving the information, we can say listening. Okay, so like this way it is there. So obviously I'm not doing this thing here at the moment. So this is the like the quiz is there. Then we have a second chapter which is the self-management skills. So here also we have the entire content is there on the self-management, and it is as per the CBSE board curriculum there. So it's very like yeah, there are books are there, but you will not get all the contents together in such easy simplified form. Okay. um, this is self-management too, so it has taken care of the time management. Four important effective time management uh, strategies, which are organize, prioritize, control, and track. Okay. So then there's a quiz is there. So here you can go for the quiz. Let me show you a little bit. So this is the quiz here. What is self-management? Which basically means regulating one emotion, managing, ignoring other personal goals. So it is about like one's emotions, regulating one's emotions, behavior, and thoughts. So I can see it's quite good. Similarly, we have ICT notes are there. Okay. So about computer system, hardware, software. So it has covered everything. So I'm quite satisfied by this course, and I can see here then this the entire content, which is again in a textual and video form, which is very helpful. Then we have the what we call is the entrepreneurial skills. So this is also the one which is very important one. So the questions are there. So here also you can see what are like small scale entrepreneurship is there. What are the qualities are there? What are the functions are there? Right. So they have another one here. No, let me see this one. Yeah. So here also, what is the role of the society? Now, these are like the simple thing, but you need answer when you need to write. You need the exact terminology. Okay, sentences, statements. So they have given answers in a very easy way, so you can easily write it like how does society help? So society provide a market. It also provide the labor and raw material, and also they can support the entrepreneurship through government policies and financial assistance. Okay, and then similarly a quiz is there. Then there's a video is there for this one. The same video is there. Then we have the last, which is the green skills. Okay, so in green skills also, green skills is basically about sustainable development goal. Okay, and here you need to know about the problems which are there, what are the challenges are there for this particular goals, and again you need to know what are those goals are basically like no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, like this. These are the goals, and then there are questions are there which can like once you go through this thing, and then if you can able to answer go through this MCQs, I think you it will give you a clear idea. Okay, And it is not like after this MCQ, there are short questions which are there sometimes coming. These are also coming in the exam. So you will have a better understanding of this thing. Okay. The entire topic. Then finally, this quiz is there. So 45 questions, quite many questions are there, which can give you a complete idea of this particular topic. So you can, once you do the quiz, if you are in this position, if you can do the quiz, so your entire topic clarity will be there. And it is very important because once you are able to answer it, so you will come to know that how much you have understood. Okay, so this is something very important to attempt the quiz. So this was the first part, which is employability skills. The next is the subject specific skills. So in case of subject specific skills, we have basically there are two are there. One is what we call is the introduction to AI. So introduction to AI is the one where all the AI introduction, which is the foundational concept, which is about the different types of intelligence. Okay, like spatial visual intelligence, which is the ability to visualize and manipulate objects. Okay, so if you have the visual intelligence, so sometimes we can know, even it's a very simple, like you can those who are artists, they have this kind of intelligence. All right, then interpersonal intelligence, like you can understand the feelings of the others, like psychologists, they are the people. Okay, decision making, and how this artificial intelligence comes into this entire topic is there. Then their applications are there. So this is entire about the, so this part is about the introduction of the AI. So they have one more notes on similar. So if you want to study more on the same, there are notes are there. Then you have the video lectures. So again, if you feel that reading so much is not easy for you, so you can just play the video and you can hear the entire content is there. Again, just you need to listen to this content. Okay, I think this is the course. This video content is there, so you can uh, go through the entire thing. So it's not too long. So entire this topic will be there. And finally, there are two quizzes are there. One is on the foundational concept quiz. Okay, so this is the foundational concept. What is AI stands? Obviously, this is artificial intelligence. Then if you go to the next one, which is the which of the following best defines AI? Okay, so you need to see once you have gone through the content, then you will be in a position to answer it. Okay, so I suggest you first to go through the entire content and then only going for the quiz. And if you think that this quiz is not very easy for you to answer at this stage, so you can go to the content material again and you can go attempt again. Then thereafter you can attempt the quiz. Now we have a project cycle. Project cycle, you know, the different stages which are problem scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, modeling, evaluation. So here also the entire content is there and the like neural network, and then there are MCQs and the questions are there which can like build up your understanding. Similarly, here you have a quiz test is there, then you have a video lecture is there, and next is the data science. So in data science also there are notes are there on the data science. So you can know what are the applications of data science and all this is there. So it's quite, I think, very, once you go through the entire material, it will give you a complete idea of the course. Okay, this is very good, I feel. And data quiz test. So this is the quiz test on this. So if you can answer this quiz, I think you will, I think then you are in a position to know you are like have understood the topics then only. For example, like best data science. So obviously it's statistics, data analysis, and machine learning. Okay, so this is the one which could should be the answer. Then again there is a video lecture. So if you are thinking that reading too much is issue for you, is tiring for you, you can go through this. So which has covered this entire notes in this audio and video form you can do. Then you have a computer vision. In computer vision also you have the entire content is there, where are the applications, and it is as per the syllabus is there. So if you go through this entire thing, you will come to know this thing. Then you have NLP. NLP also you can see the different notes are there. NLP notes, okay, and they are quite comprehensive, very easy to understand. If you know the thing, you can do it very easy. Then you have the evaluation is there. So evaluation also you can get this notes are there. Okay, and then the one is the most likely question bank. Okay, so the question banks is there. There are questions are there which are from the CBSE, which type of questions are there which have come. So those question banks are available. So like here answers are also provided, like the basis of decision making, availability of dash. Okay, so it's availability of the information or data and how we experience and understand it. Okay, so there are many things which we can fill in here. So this is the one. Then we have the uh, 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 so you can see some direct questions. These are all available is there, but the important thing is this entire content you will get immediately, and the way it is presented is very nice. You do not need to whichever content you want to study. And again, like, see, if you want to see the full, this is the full screen. So, and the font and everything is so good that you can easily read and you can understand the entire content. Okay, and you do not need any help because the entire content is available to you. Okay, so I really find it's very helpful for like revision of the entire thing. Now we have a syllabus, like in case you think that you need to see the syllabus, which is very important sometime. So this is the entire syllabus is there. So I think by this time you are aware of the syllabus, so I won't go into this part. Now we have some question papers are there. So these question papers which are given here are also very good. Okay, these are previous year papers are there, and in these papers also we have the, okay, so papers are there. So here these question papers are there, and after doing this, you take the notebook and you write down the answers of this one, and then you can go to the marking scheme and see like whether these answers you have written are correct or making sense or not. Okay, so answers are there, so you can see and check this thing. So this is quite very helpful this way. So specimen papers are there for 2 3 years. Then there are some sample papers are there with answer key again. So you have some, yes, these are the KV sample papers, which are also very important ones, because these are the schools like this government school. Their question papers, questions are mostly like very important from the point of view of exam. It's very important. So I think if you can do this and then finally see the answer key, so you will be getting the idea you have done it correctly or not, right? So this is one. Then finally, if you want to do once again the complete revision on this each of the topics, so we have the question bank on this. In this one, I have seen the question bank. So this question bank is also very good. This first topics are there, and then you have the multiple choice questions are there. Answers are also provided. So it's very important, because in many books and many places, after doing, you are not aware what is that. So once you do the overall entire thing, you can do one revision from here. Okay, so these questions are there, you can do it properly, and this is like a so in all the topics, self-management is there, entrepreneurial skills, green, then introduction to AI. So let's see, data science. So in data science, you see this entire topic is there. So this next page, if you go, so this questions are there. So finding it then evaluation is a very important one. Let me show you this in evaluation topic. So different types of like confusion matrix. terms like true positive, true negative, and all this, and then formulas which are there, and MCQs are questions are given there, and then finally the answers of them, then subjective questions are there, and finally I can also see there are some questions here which are, yes, this formula based, and then calculation based questions are there, which are like in exam mostly this type of questions are asked. Okay, so this is also are there, so they can give a confusion matrix and they will be asking you to calculate this thing. So with the calculation it is there. Okay, so I can see quite many questions are there here. So I think if you are going to if you go through this entire course, so there is everything is there together at one place, and you will not have any uh, difficulty in knowing any topic and any content, anything, everything is at one place. So I think I highly recommend you to purchase this course. And this course is just, if you look at this course, yeah, this course is there, and it cost me just 499. So the course is not very expensive, looking at the comprehensive content material which is there. And I will be providing you the link and the of this from where I have purchased, and in the description also you will be seeing the link for this one, so that you will come to know like from where you need to buy this course. Okay, so let me show you what is the from where you can purchase this course. Okay, so now from where I have purchased this course. So this is a link given to this one, and you can go directly to the link using this QR code. I think that is a easier, simple, easier way of doing things, and this is also quite easy. Let me put this thing here, and you can see. Yeah, so this is the entire thing, and if you are interested, so in my case, like already I have purchased this one, so it will not ask you to anything, but let me show you, if you are interested, how we can even like here I've already purchased, so it's not giving me the options, but let me show you how you in case if you want to, like if you are not purchased it, so in first time how it will look like to you, appear to you. Okay, okay, so I'm showing you this thing now, how if for the first time, if you are if you want to purchase this course, so how you need to purchase. So you will be going to buy now for 499. This is, I think, the material which is given. If you there, this kind of courses are near about 2,000 to 3,000 charging, and still, what I feel sometimes it's not possible for a teacher or even those which are providing the course, because this course is prepared has is been prepared by people who are like teaching this course material for years, so they have they know the entire syllabus, and so everything is covered very properly in this particular course. So let me show you. If you click on this buy now, so it will ask you to enter your name, this phone, and afterward, once you have done this thing, it is going to take you to the next page where you can get a you get this particular uh, like the purchase, and you can easily like from Google Pay, and you can purchase this course. And once you purchase this course, what I got an email from them where the link is given, and using that link and password I can just log in again, and I can get the entire course the way I have got it. Okay, so this is very simple process is there, and you get the course material immediately. So I suggest you that and highly recommend you that before exam, if you purchase this course and you prepare for your exams using this course material, you have very good chances, and rather it guarantees you to score full marks in your board exams. So I hope you will show interest in buying this course, and like me, and uh, this will be really a very helpful course. So I highly recommend all of you to purchase this course. Okay, so this is what is I think I have already showed you the material. So I hope this, in case if you are interested, you can uh, again see the video and see the material which is available there, and you can directly even check the material which is there. In case if you want, you this entire content is given also, this syllabus. Okay, what is there? Though here you cannot see the content, but entire thing is there. Okay, so what notes are there? How many pages are there? Chapters are there. So your entire curriculum syllabus is there. So this is very helpful. So I think I highly recommend you to purchase this course material for your exam so that you can score very good marks in your board exam. So that's it. So all the best for your exam, and thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Okay, bye.